Here arises another question. It is true that color is just a label we assign to different wavelengths of light, but perhaps in the real world, beyond our sensory channels, do objects have inherent colors? To find the answer to this question, we need to examine what objects are actually made of and whether they have the capability of possessing colors. Albert Einstein presented a formula that proved matter and energy have the same nature. He established that matter is nothing but energy condensed and localized at a point. Let's explain this with an example. If we consider the ocean as energy and a floating iceberg within it as matter, we observe that in reality, the iceberg is part of the water's molecules and can maintain cohesion among its components. In the water, it creates an independent set, which we perceive as a separate and stationary object. However, the truth is that the iceberg continues to be water, and water continues to be an iceberg, both having the same nature. For example, the difference between iron and helium lies only in the number of constituent particles. Helium is formed from 4 energy fields in the center and 2 other particles rotating around it. Iron has 56 energy fields in the center and 26 other fields rotating around the center. It is like placing 56 bricks in one place and 6 bricks of the same material in another place, and claiming that these 2 sets are not similar and have differences in every aspect. Interestingly, we perceive each set differently, with different colors, smells, tastes. The reality is that the world we live in is devoid of any smell, taste, color, darkness, sound, or rigidity. These properties only exist in our inner and imaginary world, and we, or rather our brains, label this world with various names like color, smell, solidness, etc. So, it can be said that objects in the external world cannot have inherent colors. They are simply creations of our minds and inner world.